Hi all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a couple of birthday gifts to myself. First, I unboxed the Plant Magic Oracle by Ash from Earthtohoneyland. I found this deck on Threads from a post where Ash tells us that if she sells 30 copies of her deck, it would pay for her dream wedding gown, so I couldn't not buy one. As an update, she posted this on March 19th, and by March 26th, she had 14 left to go for her goal. The packaging is very smooth and soft touch and very purposefully lacks plastic. There's even a card with information about it. There's no paper guidebook, but there is one digitally that we can access through a QR code. No shrink wrap is used in honor of maintaining the environment. The quality of the paper is very smooth. It is thicker than regular paper, but not so thick that it's difficult to shuffle. It has a semi-gloss finish. The color quality is delicious with muted vibes, and the plants and flowers all look so pretty. Then I unboxed the CITADEL Oracle Special Edition from Liminal 11 by Fen Inkwright. I have had my eye on this limited edition deck for years. It was released in 2022, but I haven't allowed myself to spend the money. But I finally got it, and I had the smaller original version before, but I'm so excited to use these. The packaging is actually insane. It looks like a book. It opens like a book. As you can see, the art is partially foiled. Once open, it extends once more to reveal the map of the Citadel. The first thing to open is the coin, where one side is an open eye and the other a closed one. Next is a certification that this is in fact a real copy of the deck signed by Fen, who used to go by Fez. Next is the Spy Master's Gambit, the companion to the deck to make it a tabletop game. On the left is the deck itself inside a box within a box. Most Liminal 11 decks come packaged this way. You flip the bottom open to reveal some cool art featuring the elemental alchemy symbols, as well as Latin meaning something along the lines of every man is the artisan of his own fortune. Then you can slide the secondary box out. There is a guidebook and the cards. In the original deck, the cards were smaller and the edges were copper. This time, they're longer cards with red edges. This paper is matte and thicker than the other deck from earlier, but still bends nicely for shuffling. On the right is the deck of emblems. It is a thinner box, but the idea of the packaging is similar, just no secondary box within. There is another guidebook, and these cards feel the same. They just have black edges instead. Both decks have the same copper foiling details that are one of my favorite things about them. With all of that, I hope you got a good idea of what these decks are like and how in love with them I am. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.